I'm Ella, and I work as a project manager at a busy company. Lately, work has been non-stop, and I felt like I needed a break. So, I decided to plan a quick weekend getaway to the city nearby. I went online and found a nice hotel with good reviews. Booking was simple. I paid for the room and got the confirmation email right away. On Saturday, I packed a small bag and took the train to the city. The journey was comfortable, and I arrived in just a couple of hours. I grabbed a cab from the station to the hotel. Once I got there, I went to the reception. "I have a reservation," I told the receptionist. The receptionist smiled and quickly checked her system. "Yes, Miss Ella. We have been expecting you. Your room is ready. It's room 305 on the 3rd floor. Here's your key. And enjoy your stay." I took the lift to the 3rd floor. The doors opened, and I stepped out into the hallway. I reached my room, 305, and opened the door. The room was perfect. The bed looked comfy, and there was a great view of the city from the window. I unpacked and took a moment to relax. Later, I decided to have dinner in my room. I picked up the room service menu and dialed the intercom. "Good evening, room service. How may I assist you?" A friendly voice answered. "I would like to order the burger with fries, please," I said. "Of course, Miss Ella. You will have your order delivered shortly," he replied. A short while later, the waiter arrived at my room with the meal. "Here you go, Miss Ella," he said with a smile. "Enjoy your dinner." The meal was delicious. I ate while relaxing and watching a movie in my room. The next morning, I had breakfast in the hotel's dining area. There were fresh fruits, pastries, and hot dishes. It was a nice way to start the day. I asked the receptionist for some suggestions on what to see in the city. She recommended the city square, just a short walk away. "You will find cafes, street performers, and a lot of activity there," she said. I thanked her and decided to check it out. She handed me the map. "Here's the city map. The square is marked here," she pointed out. "It's a great place to start your exploration." The square was busy with people at cafes and street performers. I walked around and enjoyed the vibe. After that, I went to a park. It was peaceful, and I spent some time reading and taking photos. In the evening, I headed back to the hotel. I had a light dinner and watched a movie in my room. It was nice and relaxing. On Sunday, I checked out and returned my key to the receptionist. "Did you enjoy your stay?" she asked. "Yes, thank you," I replied. I took the lift down to the lobby and headed back to the train station. The weekend was exactly what I needed to recharge. I felt refreshed and ready for the work week ahead.